Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to understand Google Sheets icon and symbol. So let's get started. Here I have opened my spreadsheet in my Google Sheets and I'm going to explain to you the function of the most frequently used icon. So let's start with this icon guys. So this is the under icon. If you make a mistake on Google Sheets, then you want to get back your previous data, you can click on this icon and this is for the redo. And if you want to format your number, you can click on this button. If you want to format as currency, you can click on currency format right here. And I'm going to give you an example. Don't forget to select the data first before you choose the format. Then you can click on the format after you select the data like this. And if you want to format as person, you can click on this percent icon. And if you want to explore more number format, you can click on this icon. Then you can choose the number format that you want. Okay, and this is for the decimal places. If you want to decrease the decimal places, you can click on this icon. So I'm going to give you an example. So don't forget to select the cell first before you click on this icon. Then click on this icon after you select the cell. Okay, and if you want to change the font style, you can click on this font, this icon, and you can explore the font that you want to use. And then this is for the font size guys. If you want to change the font size, you can click on this icon. Then if you want to increase the font size, you can click on this plus button. And if you want to decrease it, you can click on this minus button. Okay, and if you want to format the text guys, we can click on this format text option. This is for the bold, italic, straight through, and this is for the text color. If you want to change the text color, you can click on this icon. And this is for the fill color. If you want to change the fill color, you just need to select the cell that you want to change the fill color. Then you can click on this button. Then select the fill color that you want to use. For example, I'm going to choose yellow. Okay, and this is for the horizontal align. You can choose left, center, and right. And this is for the vertical align. Sorry, this is for the vertical align. And I'm going to give you an example. So just select the cell first, then you can click on this icon. This is for the middle, and this is for the top, and this is for the bottom. And I'm going to choose middle. Alright guys, and this is for the text wrapping, and this is for the text rotation. And if you want to merge a cell, you can click on this icon, but you have to select the cell that you want to merge first. For example, I'm going to merge these two cells. Then after we're selecting the cell, we can click on merge icon right here. Okay guys, I think that's enough. That was the most frequently used icon in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.